Is the summer heat putting a damper on your workouts and outdoor fun? I'm Alicia with WTI, and these cooling towels from IntreLife are such a great option for hot summer workouts, outdoor activities, or anytime you need fast relief from the heat. They use natural mint extract to cool your skin in as little as 3 seconds, and they can lower your skin temperature by up to 7.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooling effect can also last for up to 3 hours, which is especially helpful during longer runs, hikes, sporting events, yard work, or anywhere else. The towel feels soft and gentle against your skin, and it also absorbs sweat, so it helps you feel cooler and more refreshed without feeling harsh or irritating. I love that each towel is individually packaged, making it easy to keep one in my running vest, purse, car, wherever. You can even reuse each towel up to 3 times. Just add water, rinse it out, and use it again. They're convenient, refreshing, and such an easy way to stay comfortable when the weather gets hot. I would definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.